Berikan cuy guys.
Ano, lahat.
Hindi ko pala. Berikan cuy guys.
Wala pa din, hindi pa ano. Wala.
Why everyone's teeth is broken and cooked. I'm sorry I didn't realize that. What are we doing? Like, I thank you for coming up with a new argument, but
Kung makikialam si Pangulong Chuck Ilang, ang pagdadala ng Starlink dish ay makakatulong sa kanilang communication sa isa't isa at sa labas ng mundo. Pwedeng ito ang iba't ibang ekonomikong parusa sa mga individual at sa kakayahan ng Iran mag-export ng langis. May mga makataang option na maraming option militar at ako rin ang dating commander ng United States Central Command.
Ang mas malawak na silangan. Ito ang magiging ayaw ng Comandante
Na walang duda ay binubuo ng mga listahan ng mga option para sa Pangulo at iba pang mga dapat mag-decision. Maring may pag-atake sa punong tanggapan ng seguridad. Mga organisasyong marahas na tinipigil ang mga protesta, ang mga demonstration ito na pumapatay ng maraming tao. Maaaring niyang targetin ang kakayahan
Lambot na.
Siyempre ay
Lambot na yung gulay.
mga pag-atake ng Israel laban sa Iran at nagtapos sa isang operation ng United States at pambubo. Sinusubukan nilang gawing muli ang mga arsenal na
Okay na dis, luto na dis. Kaya na tayo, patayin natin yan. Itong kanin. Yun, sakto.
Kung sila ng 6 milyon o nasa 7 bilyon
Okay na, luto na.
para maglabas ang Nakakatakot na sa akin ang prestasyon.
Tayo ng
May mga komandante na
ulam.
na sa pabansang telebisyon ay inihaw
Ating gulay dahil paborito natin ng okra.
and Syria. Sinasabi nila na ang mga naging
Okra.
patay dahil sila raw ay mga ulupin.
Okra.
Isang
Okra.
na mapanirang kilusan ang isyong pang-ekonomiya.
Nakaranas ng naglarapan na kapan. Napatay si IRG sa pamamagitan ng mga nagbobote.
Shut the fuck up and ask yourself how much you think they want this house. And I've been to the show, wasn't even a hundred cats in the backyard. What the
Ano pa?
Kumain ka na. Hindi ka pa kakain?
Kain na.
Gas ako?
Ano ka naman to? May tubig ka na dyan?
Ah. Hindi pakali.
Hey. Shh! Bus!
Uy. Bueno. Uy. Bueno. Bueno. Natawag ka na.
Asum. Sinigang.
Ulan.
Tawag, dala yung ano, sili. Nakain ka ba yan?
Hindi naman mang...
Hindi naman. Sa akin na lang yan.
cereals, they're actual metal and baby food. This guy is going to find out he's taking baby cereal out of the bag and putting it on. He's pulling out metal directly from the cereal. So this is iron. Babies need so much iron that literally putting elemental iron inside of their home. Now these iron particles are actually so small, it's no issue for the stomach whatsoever. Babies need the iron. The biggest issue with these particles is that the iron from these foods is absorbed at 4% rate. This is in comparison to 35% absorption rate of iron that comes from animal sources. So it's almost heavy metals that you can barely even form. So it's right there. Our cereals, they're actual metal and baby's food. This guy is going to find out he's taking baby cereal. Imagine what it looks like. He's pulling out metal directly from the cereal. So this is iron. Babies need so much iron that companies are literally putting elemental iron inside of their food. Now these iron particles are actually so small.
Uy, Nabi, ka pa kain?
Babies need the iron. The biggest issue with these provided foods is that the iron from these foods is absorbed at 4% rate. This is in comparison to 35% absorption rate of iron that comes from this. This is actually a medical test, the valence test. That's the only way to diagnose Down syndrome. Do it with all the documents together, and within 60 seconds, if you have was the pressure of the nerve, and the median nerve innervates base the right finger. This is actually a medical test. It's called a valence test, and it's one way to diagnose carpal tunnel syndrome. When we can hold the back of your hands together, and within 60 seconds, if you have symptoms of numbness, tingling, pain in any of these three fingers, you probably have carpal tunnel syndrome. And the reason why that works is carpal tunnel syndrome is impingement of the median nerve in the wrist. This motion was the better motion. This is actually a medical test. Tingling, pain, why that works is carpal tunnel syndrome is impingement of the median nerve in the wrist. This motion was the pressure of the nerve, and the median nerve innervates the base of your finger. This is actually a medical test. It's called a valence test, and it's number one. You are completely awake for this. This is sleep. Throw away your
Tapos na ako kumain. Hindi ka pa kain. Si Darwin, doon sa taas. Darating na bumaya si mama mo.
Mga ganun.
Magkano lang muna bigay siya? 500 lang. Pagawa natin iba.
Ang ugas ko lang bigay.
Pagkaya, 1,000. Ilang peraso pa bigyan mo sa mama?
Ah. Iban si ma'am to?
Oo nga, masim eh. Sabaw eh. Pero yun gusto ko kayo. Ayaw nyo kasi na masim. Ayaw mo rin na masim? Ha?
Gusto ko.
Ako kasi gusto ko na masim. Ayun, takip sa baba. Takip mo na. Tubig. Grasya.
Wala, binigay yung ano.
Di na yun sila magpapaparte kasi lalaki ang gastos nila. Pagkain, regalo pang gawin ng talaga. Kung kanila yan, totoo yung ano, nag-i-eskwela pa yung estudyante, bibigyan na nila sa akong.
completely awake for this. This is sleep.